Go. Vaheguru Ji. Jakara, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, picture, I need to be in there. Today we had a great session by Anjali Gulati and Joel Novi. They came from Interfaith Power and Light, which is a national interfaith organization creating awareness about the climate change, about the environmental damage that we are all doing, and how we can work together, especially from the religious places. We can put the things in the right perspective, in the right order. So we are very grateful that they interacted with the kids. They showed them how to have a sustainable cooking, and they had the kids taste a wonderful chocolate that they prepared today. And also they talked about how each one of us can take action. So did you all like their session? That's a long yes. Okay, so Joel, would you like to say a word about how your experience was today?
This was so wonderful. It was a great way to spend the afternoon. Thanks for learning.
Ashley, hello. Yes, go ahead one more time.
It was so wonderful to be with all of you. I love learning and talking about climate change and a better future with all of you.
Anjali?
Yes, well, shukriya for all of your engagement and your wonderful ideas on how we're going to combat the climate crisis together.
Neeraj? Go ahead.
Thank you, Anjali and Joel. It was a great experience, and I think our children, we are planting good seeds in them, and they will take it to the future, and many good things are going to come out of it.
All right, Ekam, you want to say something?
I appreciated how by them coming, they were really able to connect with us by, first of all, the chocolate, which they said joy is really important when teaching kids, and the poster over there that asked us questions about our future, and so we had to think about it. So yeah.
Serena?
I really appreciate the inclusiveness in all questions.
Ekam?
I really appreciate how the question she was asking us questions that were related to us.
Great, and Ranveer, you're the last speaker.
So I appreciate them coming to educate both the young kids and the old kids, as well as all the volunteers, the teen volunteers and the adult volunteers together. It's great information for everyone, and getting to be asked like open-ended questions about how our future is affected by the environment and energy consumption is very good, especially for the teens who will have to deal with these problems later in their life. So we were able to have a very thought-provoking discussion because of the speakers here, and we appreciate it very much.
And we want to thank all the volunteers who cooked wonderful food and the snacks. So let's give a chikara to all the Sevadars. Bole! We want Anjali and Joel to come next year.